Hey everybody. Well, it just showed up today, the motor kit did. .36 sprocket. Check the gas tank. Sorry for the motion sickness here. Gas tank's great. Looks like the studs are good. Looks like the cap's not vented, though it's no big deal. I've got a bunch of these. If I wind up doing the hyper, then I'll use my other tank, which is a rear seat post mount. I still have that. Okay, I got the good clutch handle with the double locker. Clutch cable. I do like this. It's the 4-bolt. Universal motor mount. I like that. Fuel filter. Spark plug tool. The plug, the tool for the bearing, for the clutch assembly. Tube exhaust pipes in great shape. It's like a standard 410 or 415. CDI, which I won't use these. Chain guard. Throttle assembly. Carburetor. Fuel line. Grips. And in the motor, one moment. Zeta motor, as you can tell. 8mm studs. Got the 3 wires, so I'll fix that problem. I've got to cut that white wire off of there. I'm going to take the jug off, check the jug, and see what it looks like inside. One moment. Cylinder walls are good. I'm waiting for a window piston. Got some different transports in there. Look at that. It does have the pipe pin piston in it. Got the Zeta 80 rod. Double gasket, just nice and clean. And then the transports are clean. So I'm really happy with this. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. I'm just waiting for the head, and I'm waiting for the reed valve piston, window piston to arrive.